Lathe is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a machine tool to shape and cut materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. The machine tool, also known as a lathe, rotates the material while a cutting tool is applied to it to remove excess material and create the desired shape. Lathes are commonly used in the production of cylindrical objects such as shafts, bolts, and screws, as well as in the creation of complex shapes and designs. The lathe service is essential in the manufacturing industry as it allows for the creation of precise and accurate parts and components. The use of lathes also increases efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing process, as it reduces the need for manual labor and speeds up the production process. Additionally, lathes can be used to create custom parts and components, which is particularly useful in industries such as aerospace and automotive where unique parts are required. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. The company offers a range of services, including lathe, to meet the specific needs of their clients. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has established itself as a reliable and trusted partner for businesses looking for high-quality manufacturing services. The lathe service offered by Berkness Company is performed by skilled technicians using state-of-the-art equipment to ensure precision and accuracy in the production process. The company works closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and requirements, and to develop customized solutions that meet their unique needs. Whether it's a small batch of custom parts or a large-scale production run, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to deliver high-quality results. If you're interested in learning more about the lathe service offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with more information about their services. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for businesses looking for reliable and efficient manufacturing services. FAQs. 1. What is a lathe used for in manufacturing? A lathe is a machine tool used in manufacturing to shape and cut materials such as metal, wood, and plastics. It rotates a workpiece on its axis while a cutting tool is applied to the material to remove excess material and create the desired shape. 2. What are the different types of lathes used in manufacturing? There are several types of lathes used in manufacturing, including engine lathes, turret lathes, CNC lathes, and vertical lathes. Engine lathes are the most common type and are used for general-purpose turning operations. Turret lathes are used for high-volume production of small parts, while CNC lathes are computer-controlled and can perform complex operations. Vertical lathes are used for large, heavy workpieces. 3. What are the safety precautions when using a lathe in manufacturing? Safety precautions when using a lathe in manufacturing include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as eye protection and gloves, ensuring the lathe is properly maintained and in good working condition, and following proper operating procedures. It is also important to keep the work area clean and free of clutter, and to never leave the lathe unattended while it is in operation. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.